I live in Eden, North Carolina. I'm a husband. I'm a father. I'm a grandfather, to which all I love. A musician there at church. Music is the number one. That's just where I just get lost. I just didn't have the energy to even walk across the floor hardly. I finally decided I better go to the hospital, and eventually I got to Greensboro, and by the time I got to Greensboro and got out of the truck, my lips were turning blue.
His blood pressure was low, his cardiac output was low. He really was not doing well.
When I first saw Chris, it was clear to me he had the appearance of a man who had a very slender contact with life.
I didn't see the wires, I didn't see the machines. I saw my husband, and I saw him alive again.
And eventually got to come home, which was a great, great feeling. And from that moment on, I mean, from the moment I stepped into my house, my recovery really started. And I started living my life just back again. I was back at the church singing and playing and doing what I do.
Approximately 6 months after Chris got out of the hospital, we went to Duke and did evaluations to be put on the heart transplant list.
You can't imagine what goes through your mind at that point in time. Knowing and have your heart taken out and somebody else's heart put in, and another chance to continue to live. And that's quite amazing.